To beat Fishland in Temu 2023, start by understanding the game mechanics and objectives. Fishland is a popular game mode where players aim to catch as many fish as possible within a set time limit. The key to success lies in mastering the fishing technique and strategically using power-ups. First, familiarize yourself with the game controls and interface. Learn how to cast your line, reel in fish, and switch between different baits and lures. Practice your timing and reaction speed to improve your chances of catching fish quickly and efficiently. Next, focus on upgrading your fishing gear and equipment. As you progress through the game, you can earn coins and rewards that can be used to purchase better rods, reels, and lures. These upgrades will increase your fishing speed and accuracy, allowing you to catch more fish in less time. Another crucial aspect of beating Fishland is using power-ups effectively. Power-ups such as fish attractants, nets, and fishing magnets can significantly boost your fishing performance. Learn when and how to use these power-ups to maximize their benefits and minimize their costs. In addition to individual skills and equipment, it is essential to develop a strategic approach to playing Fishland. Start by identifying the most lucrative fishing spots and focusing on those areas. As you catch more fish, you will earn experience points and level up, unlocking new areas and fish species. To further improve your performance, analyze your fishing statistics and adjust your strategy accordingly. Pay attention to your catch rate, average fish size, and earnings per minute. This data will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your fishing technique. Finally, stay up to date with the latest game updates and patches, as these may introduce new features, fish species, or game modes that can affect your strategy. By combining these tips and best practices, you can significantly improve your chances of beating Fishland in Temu 2023 and becoming a top-ranked player.